Alright. Not the camera I wanted to use today. But we're going to give her a shot. Today we got the cold question. The cold question is the question for the winter. This winter, should we do a podcast? Should we maybe, I'm thinking maybe react to automotive stuff? What should we do? I don't know what to do. I want to do something in the winter because I don't want the channel in the winter just to, die every year. I want it to be a constant, 365 every week, every month, something like that. There's a video out. Now in the summers it should be every week. We got some ideas rolling through our heads, which should help. Um, but should we? What should we do? I don't know. I have no clue. As you guys, as the viewers, I want you to decide. You guys choose. And then what should we do? Yeah, that's that question. Then the other thing I had in mind is our 1,000 subscriber goal. I want to reach that, but I do want to. We're gonna set the bar low right now, and I want to hit 100 by July. So like, share, subscribe, and grow the channel. I also have a goal in mind for 1,000. So once we hit 1,000, so that last one was 100. So let's just, I don't know, maybe we'll do something if we hit 100. It's a small goal, small subscriber, but why not celebrate? It's something. The channel's grown at that point. But 1,000 subscribers is where it starts to get fun. If you guys can get us up to 1,000 subscribers, we will get in contact with a promoter and we will go and do a live. I don't know if it'll be it'll be a Facebook and probably YouTube live, because we got to hit 1,000 for YouTube to say you're allowed to, and we need our watch times to go up, guys. So if you guys keep watching through the videos all the way, then our watch times will go up, which will make us eligible for a live. And then we hit 1,000, that solidifies it. Then we can do a live. And once we hit 1,000, I have this goal in mind that I cannot say. But once we hit 1,000, a secret will be let out. Now the reason why I want to hit decent amount of goals is get our name out so badly is because we ain't the smartest, we don't know everything about, cars and stuff. We know a decent amount. We're not completely stupid when it comes to automotives, but we don't know everything. Now, as this channel goes on, we learn things. Even the most trained professional mechanics learn something new every day. Whether it's how to, change oil quicker, how it's to change a tire quicker, how to put on a tire quicker on a rim. I don't know. Everyone learns something new every day. And if you guys can help us do this can get out to people who maybe want to get into the sport, but they don't know how to. They don't know what are the steps, what is supposed to, what are the rules, what are, I get asked that a lot, believe it or not, like rules to derbies, because a lot of people think I'm, I don't know, I like to teach people, something new. And another thing I like to do is I like to weld, I like to build cars, and I also like to film. And that's why I created a YouTube channel. But let's get this out there. That way people can learn how to build some good cars. Like the in the new intro, I'm gonna say this. This is all I'm gonna say. That car I had help with, but if you ask people, I learned quite a bit. And that was my first derby car. I do have footage, and of that, and I think I'm going to release it soon. Not the build, but the heat. Wasn't that entertaining? You can actually find it on YouTube. I'm going to send the guy's link in the description with the video. But let's get this out there, guys. Let's teach young kids how to be, more active. I'm not saying all of us kids aren't active, but I mean, teach them new skills. I mean, let's make this channel educational, guys. Let's make it fun. Most of all, let's have fun. That's rule one, have fun. So, with that being said, guys, from us, from the Lazy Eye Racing crew, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hopefully you watched all the way to the end of this. If so, comment down below what we should do in the winter. And with that being said, peace out, guys.